Khan Yunis, Gaza Strip. Health officials said 31 premature babies in extremely critical condition were safely transferred Sunday from Gaza's main hospital and will go to Egypt, along with 250 babies with seriously infected wounds and other emergencies. More than 1,000 patients were trapped, he said, after Israeli forces entered the compound to search for Hamas operations. The plight of the babies, along with Israel's allegations against Shifa Hospital, have become powerful symbols of the devastating war between Israel and Hamas. While the Israeli attack caused severe damage to Palestinian civilians, Israel accused Hamas of using Shifa and other hospitals as headquarters for military operations. Newborn Babies Hospital, where electricity was cut and supplies were exhausted while Israeli forces ed with Palestinian militants outside, were being taken to emergency care in the city of Rafah south of Gaza. Mohammed Zaku, director of Gaza hospitals, said that in some cases they experienced dehydration, hypothermia and sepsis. He said 4 more babies in the 2 days before the evacuation. The World Health Organization team that visited Sifa said most of the remaining patients had amputations, burns or other trauma. Plans were being made for his release in the coming days. Later Sunday, the Israeli military said it had strong evidence supporting its claims that Hamas maintains a large command center in and under Shifa. Israel has cited the hospital as a key target in its war to end Hamas rule in Gaza after Hamas entered southern Israel 6 weeks ago. The military said it found a 55-meter tunnel about 10 meters beneath the hospital's 20-acre complex of various buildings, garages and a plaza. It was stated the tunnel contained a ladder and a firing hole that snipers could use, and ended with an explosion-proof door the soldiers had not yet opened. The Associated Press could not independently verify Israel's findings. These included security camera video that the military said showed 2 foreign hostages, 1 Thai and 1 Nepalese, being hospitalized following the October 7 attack. The military also said an independent medical report determined that Israeli Army Corporal Noah Marciano, whose body was in Gaza, was killed by Hamas in the hospital. According to Israel's intelligence assessment, Marciano was injured in the November 9 attack in which Israel killed his captor. The army said the injured were not life-threatening, but he was later killed by a Hamas militant in Shifa. Hamas and hospital staff denied claims that there was a command center affiliated with Shifa. Critics describe the hospital as a symbol of Israel's reckless endangerment of civilians. Thousands of people in Israeli attacks in Gaza, which suffered from food, water, medicine and fuel shortages. Senior Hamas official Osama Hamdan rejected the Israeli army's announcement and did not deny that there are hundreds of kilometers of tunnels in Gaza, but the Israelis said they have a command and